So we stopped by this taco truck at Mill Valley Farm and it was so good. 10 out of 10. We got some birria tacos and a birria quesadilla and it was amazing. Always stop at taco trucks like this. You'll always get the best food. After that, we went over to their ice cream store and got some fresh ice cream. We went and visited the cows, which is always so much fun. And they had a little baby calf that was so cute. And we got to hang out with them for a bit. And then we got our ice cream. KP got pumpkin Oreo, and I got classic cookie dough, and they were both amazing.